Standard deviation is the measure of how data are spread out from the mean, or how data are clustered around the mean. Low standard deviation means data are clustered around the mean. And high standard deviation indicates data are more spread out. Suppose you are asked to calculate standard deviation using this raw data, you will first represent them in a frequency table, multiply each values by their frequencies respectively and put the answer in the fx column, add all the value in the fx column and put their total down here, do the same for the frequency column. Calculate the mean by dividing the sum of fx by the sum of f, in this case our mean is 5. Alright, let's jump into calculating standard deviation. Draw another column. And it is called x minus x bar. X bar is a symbol for mean, and our mean here is 5, that means we will be subtracting 5 from each column. So, 2 minus 5, the answer is minus 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 4 minus 5, minus 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Draw another column, and it is called x minus x bar, raised to power 2. That means, we will be squaring every value in the column. So, when we square minus 3, it will give us 9. Minus 2 raised to power 2, is 4. Minus 1 raised to power 2, is 1. 0 raised to power 2, is 0. 1 raised to power 2, is 1. 2 raised to power 2, is 4. 3 raised to power 2, is 9. Draw another column. And we will call it f, multiply by x minus x bar, raised to power 2. That means we will multiply each of them by their frequency. 3 multiply by 9, 27. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 1, 2. 4 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 9, 27. 27 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 27 is 69. So, summation f times x minus x bar raised to power 2, is 69. Standard deviation is equal to the square root of summation f times x minus x bar raised to power 2, divide by summation f. Summation f times x minus x bar raised to power 2 is 69. While summation f is 16. So, standard deviation now is equal to square root of 69 divided by 16. But 69 divided by 16 is equal to 4.3125. And the square root of 4.3125 is 2.0766. So, our standard deviation is 2.0766. Well, that conclude the basics of standard deviation. In the next lesson, we will be looking into difference between group data and ungrouped data, and how to calculate their mean, median, mode and standard deviation respectively. Till then, don't forget to subscribe.